In Pakistan's Punjab province, army-backed rescue teams are struggling to reach thousands of residents stranded by rising floodwaters. Officials report that nearly 142,000 people have been affected near Jalalpur Pirwala, with many trapped on rooftops and trees as swollen rivers slow evacuations. Since August 23rd, more than 4,000 villages across Punjab have been submerged, displacing 2.1 million people and impacting more than 4.2 million overall. Authorities in Sindh warn the flooding will intensify, with Karachi already hit by heavy rainfall and submerged streets. Officials say this disaster is Pakistan's worst since 2022, when one-third of the country was underwater and damages topped $32 billion.